So we're going to try this finger shooting kite. Finger shooting. Let's see how far it can go. And that's a really cool dinosaur pattern. Let's try it. Let's try it up. It has a rubber band. It's kite. Let's see the instruction. The instruction says, use the right hand hold the kite, and the left finger hold the rubber ring, and you pull it back, and then shoot it away. Pull it back, shoot it away. Okay. So what I'm going to do? Oh, it's like the arrow, the ball, right? You hold it back. One's a dinosaur, one's an astronaut. Which one do you prefer?
I'm not worried. You pick.
I prefer astronaut. Shoot in a rocket. Now we're going to do this finger shooting kite. Use your left hand, hold the rubber band, and the right hand hold the middle part, and pull it back. So like the way you pull the ball. Dinosaur Rocket, written by Pennydale. Dinosaur Rocket waiting on the launch pad. On the launch pad, having final checks. Check, check, check. Astronaut dinosaurs riding on the bus. On the bus to the giant rocket. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Boom! Brave dinosaurs are climbing into the rocket, right at the top. Clink, clink, clink. Nervous dinosaurs are pressing buttons, and waiting to start. The dinosaur count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2, 1, and lift off! Dinosaur rocket rolling and thundering into space. Zooming faster and faster. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Excited dinosaurs whizzing onto the moon in their dinosaur buggies. Broom, 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 broom. Proud dinosaur posing with their flag. The flag of the first dinosaurs on the moon. Flash, flash, flash. Launching dinosaurs playing and floating in space. And kicking their football. Kick, kick, kick. quiet dinosaurs stomping to look at their planet. Their blue planet so far, far away. Home, home, home. Happy dinosaurs are blasting off into space, and on their way home. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. That's the end of this lovely story. And also don't forget to check this book, Space Song Rocky the Ride. This is such a lovely book from Barefoot Books. And it also has a CD. I love this book.